up, you two champions? Welcome to day 5 of 21 days challenge to get 95% in your second PUC board exam. So, as part of today's challenge, I have given you 2 chapters for homework. The first one was Haloalkanes and Haloarenes from chemistry, and the second one is Determinants from maths. So, you have to complete these 2 chapters, revise all its concepts, and then you have to solve the most important questions from the PDF I have provided. The link is there in the description section, so please go there. If you haven't downloaded yet, click on the link, visit the page and download the PDFs first. Okay, these questions are super important as these are sourced from PYQs, question bank, model question papers, passing package, and so many other important resources. Okay, so before going to practice any other thing, you should practice first these questions. Okay, and in this video I'll be telling you the most important questions from the chapter Determinants. So now to help you to be on track with this 21 days challenge, I have prepared this study tracker for all of you. So the study tracker link is also there in the description section. You can check that. Click on the link and please remember, make a copy of this study tracker. Okay, please make a copy. Okay, you do not just change on the tracker itself. First create a copy of it, and once you create a copy, then only use it as your personalized tracker. Okay, please don't make any changes on this particular tracker which you open by clicking on the link. That will not happen. You have to create a copy of that. Okay, and the students using from phone, please use the Google Sheet app for this. That will be more convenient. Now let's understand the blueprint of this particular chapter. So the blueprint of the chapter will be like this. Just a minute. Yes, so the chapter has a weightage of 12 marks. As you can see, there will be one 1-marker question, one 2-marker question, one 5-marker question, and one 4-marker question, right? 5, 4, 9, 10, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so now I want to just remind you that there are just 24 days left for your final board exams, and these last few days are very, very critical for your preparation. Okay, so if you have any wrong strategy, wrong resources at this point of time, your performance in the board exams is definitely going to go down. So at this point of time, you need a right strategy, relevant resources, and a proper plan. So if you are stuck in your preparation or you need any kind of help in your preparation, please don't worry. I'm there to help you. So I've started this one-to-one mentorship session where you can discuss with me. You can one-to-one, you can talk about your study plan, a personalized study plan, subject-wise strategies, and I'll be able to clear all your doubts, including your chemistry academic doubts. Okay, so the link is there in the description section to book this mentorship call. So do check it out, and I'm guaranteeing you that after having this call, all your doubts will be cleared. Okay, now let's move towards the most important questions first in the 2-marker section. So the 2-marker section questions are like to find the equation, especially for the line joining between 3, 1 and 9, 3. Similarly, for line joining between 1, 2 and 3, 6. For finding the area of the triangle whose vertices are given using the determinants. Next, if the area of the triangle 2, 0, 0, 4 and 0k is 4 square units, find the value of k. Okay. Next, examine the consistency of the system of the equations. That is also using determinants. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are given here. Find k if the area of the triangle is 3 square units and the vertices are like this. Prove that adjoint of A is equal to A square, where A is a 3 onto 3 matrix. Then again find the area of the triangle whose vertices are given. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are given. So generally, to find the equation of the line or to the area of the triangle, questions like this will be asked in your 2-marker section. Then solving the linear equations using the matrix method. Find the adjoint of A, find the inverse of the matrix, find the inverse of the matrix. These are also in your 2-marker section. Explain the consistency of the system of equations. 2 equations are given here. Also explain the consistency of the system of equations. Examine the consistency of the system of equations. Here you have 3 equations. And examine the consistency of the system of equations. Here also I have, I think, 3 equations. Okay, if A be any square matrix of order n, then A into adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into A, and that you have to prove is equal to A into I, where I is your identity matrix. So these are all your 2-marker questions. Now we will move to 4-marker questions. So in 4-marker question, the first question, if A is a given matrix 3, 1, minus 1 and 2, then show that A square minus 5A plus 7I is equal to 0, and hence find A inverse. So first you need to prove this and find the value of A inverse. There's another question, show that the matrix A equal to 2, 3, 1, 2 satisfy the equation A square minus 4A is equal to I, where I is a 2 into 2 identity matrix, and also use this equation to find A inverse. Next, if A is a 3 into 3 order matrix like 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3 and 1, 3, 4, verify that A into adjoint of A is equal to A into identity matrix, and also you have to calculate A inverse. Next, fourth question, if A is equal to 2, 3, 1, minus 4 and B is equal to 1, minus 2, minus 1, 3, then verify that AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Next, if A is equal to 1, 3, 2, 4 matrix, then verify that A into adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into A equal to A into I. Next, if A is a 3, 7, 2, 5 matrix and 5 is 6, 8, 7, 9, then verify that AB inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. This is similar to question number 4, only the matrices are different here. Next, seventh question, if A inverse is a 3 order 3 matrix and B is a 3 into 3 matrix, okay, A inverse and B is given, then find AB inverse. Okay, so you have to use the formula and then you have to calculate this value. Now talking about 5-marker questions, solve the system of equations x plus y plus z is equal to 6, y plus 3z is equal to 11, x minus 2y plus z is equal to 0 by matrix method. Solve the system of equations 3x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 8, 2x plus y minus z equal to 1 and 4x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 4 by again matrix method. Next, if A is a matrix of 2, minus 3, 5, 3, 2, minus 4, 1, 1, minus 2, find A inverse, okay? And using A inverse, solve the system of equations. 2x minus 3y plus 5z equal to 11, 3x plus 2y minus 4z equal to minus 5, and x plus y minus 2z is equal to minus 3. Next is some word problem based questions. The cost of 4 kg onion, 3 kg wheat and 2 kg rice is 60. The cost of 2 kg onion, 4 kg wheat and 6 kg rice is 90. And the cost of 6 kg onion, 2 kg wheat and 3 kg rice is 70. Find the cost of each item per kg by matrix method. Next, the sum of three numbers is 6. If you multiply the third number by 3 and add the second number to it, we get 11. By adding the first and the third numbers, we get double the second number, represent it algebraically and find the numbers using the matrix method. Solve the equations 2x plus y plus z equal to 1, x minus 2y y minus z equal to 3 by 2 and 3y minus 5z equal to 9 by matrix method. Next, solve the equations 2 by x plus 3 by y plus 10 by z equal to 4, 4 by x minus 6 by y plus 5 by z equal to 1 and 6 by x plus 9 by y minus 20 by z equal to 2 by using matrix method. Then use the product of these two to solve the system of equations. X minus y plus 2z equal to 1, 2y minus 3z equal to 1 and 3x minus 2y plus 4z equal to 2. Okay. Next question, solve the system of equations x minus 2y plus 2z equal to 7, 3x plus 4y minus 5z equal to minus 5 and 2x plus 2x minus y plus 3z equal to 12 by matrix method. Solve the system of equations like x minus y plus z equal to 4, 2x plus 3y minus 3z equal to 0 and x plus y plus z equal to 2 by again matrix method. Solve the system of equations 2x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 4, x minus 2y plus z equal to minus 4 and 3x minus 4y minus 2z equal to 3 by again matrix method. So now we will be discussing the questions from model question paper. So question number 22 part B 2 marker, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are given. So I told you that in this 2 marker question, generally finding the equation of the line or finding the I can say the area of the triangle has been generally asked. So that is there in model question paper 1 also. In a 5-marker question, part D, if A is a 3 by 3 matrix, B is a 3 into 3 matrix, and C is 1 into 1 matrix, calculate AC, BC, and A plus B into C. Also verify that A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. Okay, so you have to just calculate all these values and then you have to prove LHS is equal to RHS. Now part E 4-marker question, if A is equal to 5, 6, 4, 3, satisfy the equation A square minus 8A minus 9I equal to 0, where I is the identity matrix and O is a 2 into 2 0 matrix, then find the A inverse. Okay, so to find A inverse, you have to use this equation. Now coming to model question paper 2, again in question number 22 part B, find the equation of the line joining the points 3, 1 and 9, 3 using determinants. So first question was for finding the area of the triangle and this is for finding the equation of the line. Next part, if A is equal to this particular 3 into 3 matrix, B is a 3 into 3 matrix and C is also a 3 into 3 matrix, compute A plus B and B minus C and also verify that A plus B minus C is equal to A plus B minus C. Next part E, if A equal to 2, 3, 1, 2 satisfy the equation A square minus 4A plus I equal to 0, then find the inverse of A using this equation where I is the identity matrix of order 2 and O is the 0 matrix of order 2. Next, for model question paper 3 also, if the area of the triangle with vertices 2, minus 6, 5, 4 and K4 is 35 square units, first you have to find the value of K using the determinants. Next, part D question for the matrix A given is 1 into 1 matrix, B is also 1 into 1 matrix. Verify that AB dash is equal to B dash into A dash. Next, if A is a 3, 1, minus 1, 2 shows that A square minus 5A plus 7I is equal to 0. I is a 2 into 2 identity matrix. O is a 2 into 2 0 matrix. Find the inverse of A. So part E, the 4-marker question, is mostly about finding the inverse of A, and part B question is mostly about finding the area of the triangle or the equation of the line. Okay. So students, these were the most important question shows from your question bank and from the model question papers. And at this point of time, if you need any help in your preparation, mentorship session is there. I'm just telling you again and again so that you don't feel that there is nobody there to help you. I'm there, always there. So please trust me, and you can book your session in case you need any help. And all the best, my dear children. Please follow the challenge seriously. Your entire syllabus will be completed on time. Put 100% of efforts every day, and this time is very, very critical. Okay, so please do not waste it. All the best. Keep learning and keep working hard. Thank you so much. Bye bye, and see you soon in the next challenge.